Who is this cookbook for? Before we dive into what's inside the Plant-Based for Kids cookbook, let's talk about who this is really for. This cookbook was created with real parents in mind, the ones juggling busy schedules, hungry kids, and the desire to feed their family in a healthy, compassionate way. If you're a vegan or plant-based parent, you probably know the feeling, standing in the kitchen, wondering what should I make today? You want your kids to get all the nutrients they need. You want meals that are quick, easy, and actually taste good. And most of all, you want to feel confident that you're doing the right thing for your children's health and well-being. Whether you're just beginning your plant-based journey and looking for simple recipes your kids will actually eat, without cooking separate meals for everyone. Already vegan, but stuck in a food rut, repeating the same 3 meals every week and craving new inspiration. A busy parent who wants to prep ahead, batch cook, or freeze meals so weekday chaos doesn't mean reaching for processed snacks. Or you're simply a parent who wants peace of mind knowing that every meal you serve is filled with the nutrients your growing child needs. Then this cookbook was made for you. Inside, you'll find kid-approved, easy to make, wholesome vegan meals designed to simplify your life, satisfy your family, and support your values. It's more than just recipes, it's your roadmap to raising strong, healthy, happy plant-based kids without the stress. Unlike generic vegan cookbooks or nutrition guides, this one is created specifically with growing kids and busy parents in mind. Every recipe, every tip, every meal plan was designed to make plant-based eating simple, stress-free, and fun for the whole family. Kid-focused and nutrient-aware, each recipe supports your child's growth and energy needs, without compromising on taste or health. Age-specific meal plans include separate 3-day plans for infants, 6 to 12 months, toddlers, 1 to 3 years, and school-aged kids, 4+, so you're never guessing what or how much to serve. No processed junk, all recipes are made with whole food ingredients, no refined sugar or added salt, perfect for little ones starting out. Easy for parents, simple ingredients, short prep times, and batch-friendly portions make planning and cooking a breeze. BLW modifications included baby-led weaning? No problem. Recipes include notes to make meals safe and suitable for infants just starting solids. Flexible for allergies, many recipes offer nut-free, soy-free, and gluten-free alternatives. Digital and instant access, download immediately and start cooking today on your phone, tablet, or print it out for the kitchen. These recipes look amazing. But I'm just too busy to cook. Sound familiar? You're not alone. We hear this every day from overwhelmed parents who want to feed their kids better but feel like they don't have the time, energy, or know how to make it happen. In today's fast-paced world, family meals are often replaced by microwave dinners, drive-through orders, or ultra-processed packaged foods marketed as healthy. But beneath the flashy labels, those ready-made meals are packed with preservatives, artificial flavors, and empty calories that do nothing for your child's growing body. Let's be real. Our kids are growing up in a food environment that promotes convenience over nutrition. And we're seeing the effects: more sugar, more processed food, more health problems, and more confusion about what's actually good for them. But it doesn't have to be that way. You can raise healthy, thriving, plant-powered kids without spending hours in the kitchen. You can teach them to love real food made with simple, wholesome ingredients. And you can feel confident that what you're feeding them supports their energy, focus, and long-term health. That's exactly why the Plant-Based for Kids cookbook was created, to help busy parents like you skip the overwhelm and start making quick, tasty, nutritious meals your children will actually want to eat. Well, my friend, if you've read this far, then I know one thing for sure. You're serious about giving your child the best possible start in life. You understand that health begins in the kitchen and that what you feed your kids today shapes their energy, growth, and well-being for years to come. Maybe you're already on a plant-based journey. Maybe you're just getting started. Either way, you're here because you care deeply about your child's health and you're ready to make meal times easier, healthier, and a lot more joyful. And that's exactly what the Plant-Based for Kids cookbook is here to help you do. Whether you're a busy parent juggling packed lunches, picky eaters, or simply want more confidence in what you're serving. This cookbook is your step-by-step guide to raising strong, happy, plant-powered kids without the stress. I truly believe it can change your family's life just like it has for so many others. More energy, fewer mealtime battles, and the peace of mind that you're giving your child the nutrition they need to thrive. Start today and raise the kind of healthy, kind-hearted humans the world needs more of. What you get with Plant-Based for Kids cookbook. This is the cookbook that will show you how to create mouth-watering, plant-based meals your kids will actually want to eat while giving you the confidence that every bite is helping them grow strong, healthy, and happy. The Plant-Based Cookbook for Kids is packed with over 25 easy, wholesome recipes that are. This cookbook will turn you into the confident, plant-based parent you never thought you could be. Whether your goal is to raise strong, vibrant kids, simplify your meal times, or create a healthier home, this is your must-have kitchen companion. This colorful, interactive workbook is the perfect companion to the Plant-Based Cookbook for Kids, designed to make learning about vegan food, animals, and the environment exciting and fun for children of all ages. Inside, your child will find hands-on activities, delicious beginner recipes, creative projects, and positive affirmations to help them build confidence and compassion while having a blast. Easy recipes for kids, like berrylicious smoothie bowls and rainbow veggie wraps they can help prepare with you. Vegan passport page, teach your child about different plant-based foods and where they come from around the world. Inspiring activities, learn how to make DIY seed bombs, match foods to their benefits, and explore fun facts. Creative projects, includes a cut and paste animal warrior poster, coloring pages, and design your own stickers. Positive affirmations, adorable illustrated cards that build empathy and kindness toward animals and nature. 100% printable and reusable, use it again and again, perfect for rainy days, homeschooling, or quality family time. Only $24 today. Simply put, I want to put this powerful information into your hands today at an extremely affordable price. To be frank, I could charge 5 times that amount and it'd still be an incredible value, but I'm not going to do that, at least not today. Try the Plant-Based Cookbook for Kids cookbook for a full 60 days. Listen, I know how much this cookbook can transform your family's meal times. I've seen how it helps parents go from stressed and unsure to confident, calm, and proud of what they're serving their kids. That's why I want to make your decision as easy as possible today. When you order now, you're backed by my ironclad 60-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. That means you have a full 8 weeks to explore every recipe, try out the meal plans, and see for yourself how easy and enjoyable it can be to raise healthy, plant-powered kids. If for any reason it doesn't meet your expectations, if it's not the easiest, most helpful family cookbook you've used, you'll get a full refund. No hassle. No guilt. No hard feelings. I believe in this cookbook because I've tested it, refined it, and poured heart and soul into making it as helpful as possible. And I truly believe you're going to love it. So go ahead, download it, give it a try, and see how it transforms your kitchen, your confidence, and your kids' health. That's what I call a more than fair deal, wouldn't you agree? Try the Plant-Based Cookbook for Kids cookbook for a full 60 days. That means you have a full 8 weeks to explore every recipe, try out the meal plans, and see for yourself how easy and enjoyable it can be to raise healthy, plant-powered kids. If for any reason it doesn't meet your expectations, if it's not the easiest, most helpful family cookbook you've used, you'll get a full refund. No hassle. No guilt. No hard feelings. I believe in this cookbook because I've tested it, refined it, and poured heart and soul into making it as helpful as possible. And I truly believe you're going to love it. So go ahead, download it, give it a try, and see how it transforms your kitchen, your confidence, and your kids' health. That's what I call a more than fair deal, wouldn't you agree? Don't let another day go by without the support you deserve. You want to raise healthy, happy, plant-powered kids, and now you have the tools to do it. This cookbook was made for parents just like you, busy, caring, and committed to doing what's best for your family. You've seen the value, you've seen what's inside, and now it's your turn to take that first step. You've got the peace of mind of our money-back guarantee. You've got a resource backed by real results. The rest? That's up to you. To your family's health, happiness, and delicious meal times ahead. JJ, creator of the plant-based cookbook for kids. Yes. All recipes are made with whole food ingredients. Some use minimal oil, but there are easy swaps for WFPB families. Absolutely. Many recipes use oats and other naturally gluten-free ingredients. Just double-check labels. For product support, please contact the vendor here. For order support, please contact ClickBank here. All information and results stated on this website are for information purposes only. The information is not specific medical advice for any individual. The content, website, and product should not substitute medical advice from a health professional. If you have a health problem, speak to your doctor or a health professional immediately about your condition. Representations regarding the efficacy and safety of plant-based for kids have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. These products are not intended to diagnose, prevent, treat, or cure any disease. Please read the references listed above for evidence of tests, analysis, research, or studies describing the benefits, performance, or efficacy of some of the ingredients of Anna Newton based on the expertise of relevant professionals. Individual results may vary depending on the case. ClickBank is the retailer of products on this site. ClickBank Registered is a registered trademark of Click Sales Incorporated, a Delaware corporation located at 1444 South Entertainment Avenue, Suite 410, Boise, Idaho 83709 USA, and used by permission. ClickBank's role as retailer does not constitute an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claim, statement, or opinion used to promote these products. The author, Ann Newton, is a pen name. I use this name to protect me and my family's private life and safety.